Hello my loves, it's Kasia Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be decorating my journal, which is the Sophisticated Flowers, and it is for the week of February 28th through March 6th. I am going to be using the girls sticker book from Agenda 52. There's one page that truly spoke to me. I am getting ready for surgery on this Friday, so I'm thinking a relaxing spread. There's one with bubble bath and kind of sleepover and PJs. So that's exactly what I wanted to do. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you are coming back to me, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me. I really appreciate you. So we're gonna start with this lovely bubble bath, and I'm gonna make kind of like a little scene in my planner. I will need a lot of room to write because I want to make sure I get everything on paper, my anxieties and worries and everything else. So that's where that is coming from. Again, it's going to be a pretty simple spread, very fast plan with me. I just wanted to emphasize that this will be very simple. So if you're looking for an elaborate one, that's not going to happen. I usually show you guys after the pen, so you are more than welcome to join me in those videos and see what this turns out like, because I think it will be fun once I incorporate the colors of the markers and so on. I think it will be really great. So I'm gonna add this beautiful robe in there as well. So all the cozy things, bubble bath, some PJs, some nice pillow. I'm gonna include the sleeping bag just for fun. I'm not planning to sleep in a sleeping bag, but it's fun. For me, it's gonna be like kind of like a blankie. And then some pillows, because of course pillows. And speaking of being cozy and warm and nice, I hope everybody's doing well. I hope your week is going well. If you're going through something, I am here with you. My DMs are always open, you guys, so if there's anything you guys want to talk about or need to talk about, or if you want to bring something to my attention, you are more than welcome to. I'm usually on Instagram responding a lot more, but you can always send me an email. I have been emailing with a few of you back and forth, so if you're watching and you have talked to me, you know. But yes, I'm always here for you guys. I know what struggling is. I've been there, I've done it to some extent. I think all of us have struggled, and I try to be human and really understand what other people are going through. Okay, so I am just pulling all the stickers from here because I am obsessed. So we have like a pizza night, popcorn. So I won't be able to eat solid foods for about 2 weeks or so. So that's not gonna be fun after. I'm getting my tonsils and adenoids removed, and as an adult, it's not supposed to be very pleasant, but that's okay. Like I said in my previous video, the quality of life is going to improve for me. So in the long run, I think that's very worth it. So I'm just adding little flip-flops all over. And then a face mask. Those are fun. A little alarm. Another ducky. I was thinking of putting it in the bathtub, but I didn't like how it looks, so I'm putting it back. Some movie time. Pizza and movies. Then we have some cucumber mask, So add those. I'll add another alarm right there. So it's like petty time. And I'm just gonna add those cucumber masks right there because those are nice. I think that's it. I think I am done with my spread for the most part, and then I'm gonna fill it in and write in all the things as I go through my week, all of my worries, anxieties, and so on. I wish all of you a much calmer week than the one I'm about to have, and a lot healthier one too. Surgery is never fun. Anyhow, thank you so much for spending the time with me, and I hope you guys had fun. I always have fun hanging out with you guys. It feels like I'm hanging out with my besties. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to add 2 more page flags to this really quickly. One says be brave, which I definitely need, and one says be fierce, so I'm gonna add those 2 into the spread and then right around that. So anyhow, thanks for watching, thanks for joining me. Have a great week. I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Have a great day. Bye.